Hi, my name is Naomi, and I'm making the best ever double chocolate muffins. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Prepare a 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners. In a large bowl, add 1.5 cups of flour. Next, add half a cup of cocoa powder. And then add 3/4 cups of granulated sugar. And then add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Next, add half a teaspoon of salt. I like salt. Next, add 1 cup of chocolate chips. And now mix those together. Into a different bowl, add 2 eggs. Add 1 cup of milk. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then add 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. And then you add it into the mixture. Wow, it looks cool if you want to see it. Add your liquid to your powder. And then you mix it. You want to make sure that you don't see any clumps. Mixer. Getting harder to mix now. Then you pour it into the paper liners. Now my favorite part, I got to lick the spoon. How pretty. That's enough of that, but lastly I have to add some more chocolate chips on the top. I'll get that in a minute. Set that in the oven for 23 to 25 minutes. It's beeping! Now that's cooled off, I gotta have one. Pretty good. Better than not bad. Have fun baking.